Today I'm gonna teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, this is a Rubik's Cube, and you're gonna solve it today, and I'm gonna teach you. Okay, so first of all, let's scramble this baby. Well, scramble it however you want. Just make sure it's like thoroughly scrambled. And I guess while I scramble it, I can talk to you about like the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, like compared to the twist and slide puzzle, this is another level. This is a level above the twist and slidey puzzle. This one's like slidey and twisty, but in many directions, which is how it makes it difficult. And on difficulty, I'd say this is about like I don't know, I don't think you can even put these puzzles on a difficulty scale from 1 to 10, but yeah, I'd put it at like maybe like a 6 out of 10 on how difficult it is to solve. Just because to solve it you need specific instructions that you just memorize, and you apply those instructions in certain situations. Okay, it's scrambled, let's solve it. Okay, the first part in solving a Rubik's Cube is you have to form a cross. And what I mean by form a cross is we'll start with the green. So it has to be green, 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 green here. So it's like a cross. But these green pieces have to be aligned to the correct centerpiece color to match. So like this is correct. This wouldn't be correct. So let's do that. And to do that, I just use intuition, I guess. If you play around with it, you can easily get these green pieces here without any special instructions, so to say. Okay, so there, we got another one. And let's get another one. Let's find another one. Yellow, green. So that yellow, green is gonna go yellow, green right here. So, but gotta swap it around. So just put it to the side, move the top, put it to the top. Bam. Done. Oh, one more piece. Where's that piece? There it is. What you doing there, little piece? Okay, that piece goes right there. See, and yeah, not the correct. Make sure it's in the correct spot. But like, turn it once and look at that. It's in the correct spot. Now that's the first step in solving the Rubik's Cube. This is a slower method. There's a faster method, but like for now, this is the method you should just practice. Okay, now from this point, it's important to establish like a front, right side, left side, top, back, and bottom. Just because the algorithms or instructions are given to you in which side to rotate and which side is the front. So there's going to be certain situations where a certain side will be the front, and then you execute the algorithm. So, like for the next step on this one, we solve the corner pieces, which are going to be, so this corner piece is going to be a white, green, orange piece. Let's find that piece. White, green, orange. Is that orange? No, that's red. So white, green, orange. Come on, where's the white, green, orange? Oh, there's the white, green, orange. Now it's on this corner, but let's find a different one. White, blue, red. So white, oh no. Let's do green, white, red. Green, white, red goes here. This piece goes here. So you find the correct corner piece, place it underneath the position where it's going to be. This is your front, and then you execute this algorithm. Right inverse, down inverse, right clockwise, down clockwise. Now you keep doing that until the piece is in the corner there. Well, shoot. Let's keep doing it. Oh yeah, the turns are going to be of a certain face, and they're either going to be double, clockwise rotation, or a counterclockwise rotation. And like I said, for this algorithm, you put it underneath, and then you execute the right counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, right, and down clockwise. Keep going. Bam, it's there. Now, let's do the other one. Green, yellow, orange. Green, yellow, orange. Underneath, goes on top. This is the front. You have to move this up here, right? Right, counterclockwise. Down, counterclockwise. Right clockwise, down clockwise. Still there. Keep doing it. Repeat it. And it's there. Now, two more pieces to solve. Now, if you find yourself and there's a green piece in the wrong corner like that, then you just simply use the algorithm to take it out. Do it once to take it out. There, now it's there. Place it in the correct position. So front, execute the algorithm. Bam. One more. Bam. Done, dude. Now you just completed the first layer. You did the cross, then you did the corners. Then you flip it. Now it's at the bottom. This is how you're going to orient the cube now. Now we're going to do the middle layer. And the pieces we're going to put in the correct spot are these corner these edge pieces right here. Now, for this part, you can either move pieces from here to here or here to down here. So let's do one of each. Let's do moving it to the left side. So to move it to the left side, first find a piece to put into a correct spot. So let's see, it can't be blue because that's the top. Let's do yellow, red. So match it up like that, but you know this is got to go here, right? So yellow, red, right? Right? And so position it like that, and then you execute this algorithm. I'll display it actually on the screen too. So yeah, but I think it's U inverse, left inverse, up, left, up, front side, up inverse, front inverse. So really slowly, I'll do it slow, but like if I do it slow, I confuse myself. But for you guys, man, I'll show it slowly for you guys. You who want to learn. Okay. This is the front. Let's use the algorithm. U inverted, L inverted, U, L, U, F, U, F. Oh, the last U and F was inverted. But if you notice, look at that. Yellow, red, in the correct spot. Now let's put something on the right side. So yeah, but we can't. Let's get this one out. So if you find out you need a piece in one of these spots, just repeat the algorithm so it'll swap them. So let's practice it again. Let's do it again. U inverted, L inverted, U, L, U, F, U inverted, F inverted. Now the piece is up here. Now you wanna find a piece where you move it to the right side. Let's see. Now, let's see, where is it? Oh no, that needs to move to the right. But let's find a piece that we move to the, that one moves to the left. But let's find a piece that moves to the right. Actually, here, just created one for you guys. Oh shoot, can I do that? White, red. Yeah, white, red, right? Oh no. Where is it? Move to the left. Move that to the left. White, orange. Oh, all of them moving to the left. Let's just. White, orange. Yeah, here we go. Now, I taught you the one to move to the left side, right? Now, I'm going to teach you if you need to move it from here, to the right side. Now, you just execute this algorithm. Yeah, I'll display it on the screen too. U R inverted, oh no, that's wrong. U R, U inverted, R inverted, U inverted, front inverted, up, and front. So let's slowly do it. It's going to move this here. This is the front, up, right, left, and bottom and all that. Okay, let's just do it. Okay. U inverted. No, that wasn't it. U, R, U inverted, R inverted. You're not inverted, by the way. I mean, like, I'm just saying the right side's inverted. And then, shit, where was I? U inverted, front inverted, U, and then F. Bam, look at that. Moved to the right side. Now, you have enough. Those are the only two algorithms you need to solve this second layer. Now, just use what I taught you and solve the rest of the layer. And yeah, you can watch me solve it while you solve it yourself, And then, yeah, like that. And then look at that. Second layer is done. I only taught you like 2 algorithms. It's not even that much. So you can do it. I know you can do it. I believe, man. Okay, let's continue. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to make a cross out of the top now instead of the bottom. And yeah, let's do that. To make a cross, you need this one algorithm. I call it free rough. And the first half is clockwise and the second half is inverted or counterclockwise. So you're going to look for this L, this mirror L, or this shape. It usually shows up. If it doesn't, then you can just use this algorithm in any front face, as any front. But if you see this one, this L, make this the front. So you got that backwards L, make this the front, and do free rough. By free rough, I mean front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now, after the L, and you do that once, you're going to get a straight horizontal. Do it one more time and it'll turn into a cross, which is what you want. So again, free rough. First half clockwise, second half inverted or counterclockwise. So front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Okay, now got your cross. Yay. Now the next thing you want to do is you need to rearrange these pieces to the correct spot, right? All of them, like that, so they're in the correct spot. Like that's correct, that's correct. These two need to be swapped. Now, there's going to be a case where all of these aren't in any correct spot at all, or maybe like they're going to be like horizontal across. Those are the only correct pieces in the correct spot, or they're going to be like this, where only these or these are going to be like a diagonal is going to be in the correct spot. Now, if that's the case, you put these two in the top, orient them in the top left, top. Make that your front. So the correct pieces are here, like that. Make this your front, and then you want to use this algorithm. U R inverted, U R inverted. Again, I'll show it on the screen, but yeah, That's what you do. So let's go through it again. You are inverted. You are a superstar. No, but let's continue this. You are. And oh, look at that! Look at that! We solved it. Look at that! I mean, we didn't solve it, but we made. We have the cross, and we have them in correct spots, right? Right? Nice, huh? Nice. Now, oh man, I'm getting pumped. This is almost solved. I mean, look at it. Yeah, the next step you need to do is quite simple. You have to arrange these corner pieces into the correct position. No, into the correct spot, but not the correct position, or it doesn't have to be the correct position. So like this is in the correct spot and it's in the correct position. This is not in the correct spot. This is not in the correct spot. This is not in the correct spot. Like blue, red, yellow has to be in the blue, red, yellow, this spot. So usually there's only one that's correct, or if you rotate it around and stuff, I mean, like if you look around, there's usually one that's correct, and you want to put that one correct one in the bottom right here. This is your front. Remember, orientation is key, and keeping track of the front is very important, because you're going to be memorizing these algorithms at first, and that's how you're going to solve it. See, that's why, like I said, it's not difficult. It's just memorization of algorithms and situations of when to use them and when to use other algorithms. So yeah, it's not too hard. If I can do it, you can do it. So yeah. Oh yeah, what was I talking about? This, yeah, you gotta put that in the corner, bottom corner, and then you execute this algorithm. U R U inverted, L inverted, U R inverted, U inverted, and L. Now, let's do that. And you got to do this until all of them are in the correct spot. Doesn't have to be the correct position, but the correct spot. So U, R, U inverted, L inverted, U, R inverted, U inverted, L. Now check again for the position of the corners. Still in the correct spot. Blue, yellow, orange. Oh, that's in the correct spot, but not the correct position. Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. It's in the correct spot, but not the correct position. Correct spot, correct position. Now we only needed to do it once. And yeah, sometimes you got to do it 2 times, 3 times. Yeah, it sometimes varies on different solves. So let's just keep doing that until they're all correct spot. Now the last part is these are going to be in the correct spot, maybe not the correct position like these two, and you want to execute the first algorithm I taught you, which was right inverted, down inverted, right and down. Until it's in the correct spot. Now, this is the part where it looks like it's messing up, but you don't want to panic, and just stick to the instructions for this, and you're like a step away from solving this cube. Look at it, it's like almost solved. So let's do it. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Repeat. It's in the correct spot. Now, this is why you would panic, right? Like it looks like it's scrambling, but you did it correctly. It's in the right spot. Try to not panic, you know. I mean, like, Jesus, all my hard work, it's gone, but no. You did good. Now, this was your front. You wanna rotate only the top to move the position you needed to change on this corner, and then do the algorithm again. So right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Now we're pretty close. This is going to be solved soon. Like, just don't panic and stick to the algorithm, and you'll be there. One more time, and it's solved. Right inverted, down inverted, right, and down. And just rotate the top till it's in the correct spot. Bam. Bam, dude. Look at that, you solved the Rubik's Cube, man. Good job. Good job. Now, yeah, that's it.